Alright guys, so today I'm gonna unbox one more item from Amazon. Let's quickly do this. Okay, so that's the book, Atomic Habit by James Clear, and that will be my first book to read, and I will start reading page by page today. I normally don't have time to read, but I will try to read every day, one page or two page, and when I will finish this book I will do a book review on this. One of my good friend recommend this, is saying that this book gonna change my life. I hope it will. So I will read this book and I will do a review when I will finish this. So see you in the next video guys. Take care.